we have our employee list here and it has some sensitive payroll information and we're getting ready to print it out, but we want to add a header and footer. And the header and footer, header goes at the top, footer goes at the bottom, and no matter how many pages this document is when we print it out, the header and the footer will be at the top and the bottom of every single page. So we're going to go to the page layout tab and we're going to look for header and footer. And we don't see it anywhere here. It's not real obvious. What you need to do is go to the page setup section and you see this little box right down here in the right corner. When I hover over it, it says page setup. I have to click on that and it brings up this page setup dialog box. And you see we have a bunch of different tabs, but the one we want is header and footer. Now, you'll see here it says header and there's a little drop down, and right now it says none. Well, we can hit that drop down and look at all of these different headers that are already here that we can go ahead and add. Well, none of those are exactly what I want, so I'm going to leave that at none, and I'm going to instead create a custom header. So I'm going to click there, and it opens up this box. And in here, I can add any type of header I want. You'll see that the top of the page is broken up into 3 sections: left, center, and right. So we're going to go ahead and start in the left, and I'm simply going to put in payroll. In the center section, I'm going to add something else. So we look up here, we see these buttons. We can format text, we can insert page numbers, insert the number of pages, insert the date, the time, file path, file name, sheet name, pictures, and we can even format a picture. I want to add the date. It gives me an ampersand and a date, and it'll automatically pull the date that the document is printed. Now, the right section, I'm going to add some text. I'm going to put in the word confidential and click OK. And when we look up here now, we see our header. Now, we come down to the footer, and we can do a custom footer, but the footer, all I think I really want to do is add in pages, like page 1 of, in this case, page 1 of 1. And we'll choose OK. And now, if we go ahead and look at our page layout here, we'll see that our header shows up, as does our footer. And it's on all of the pages. And that is how you can set a header and a footer in a worksheet.